Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about downloading MySQL. To download MySQL, go to mysql.com. Then go to Downloads. This is the MySQL download page, which shows various MySQL offerings. You will need MySQL Community Server and MySQL Workbench. First, click upon MySQL Community Server. This page will open up. I am running Microsoft Windows, so it shows me all the available installers for Microsoft Windows. If you are running on any other platform, you can choose your platform from here. I would recommend you to download MySQL installer. If you are running on 32-bit machine, download this one. And if you are on a 64-bit machine, download this one. Let's get back to the downloads page and click on MySQL Workbench. It will open up this page, which is identical to the MySQL Community Server. Download Windows MSI installer from here. This was the tutorial upon downloading MySQL Server and Workbench. In the next tutorial, we will install these tools and set up our MySQL development environment. Thank you.